It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
Hi guys, I'm Vandase. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. To those of you that are here for the first time, welcome home, Vandase. And to my returning subbies, guys, thank you so much for your support, guys. Like, I'm excited, I'm happy, guys, to see my channel growing. You guys don't know, when I see like one person joining our family, I scream, guys, because for me it means a lot. Because when I started this channel, it was just me, guys. It was just myself. I didn't have followers from Facebook or Instagram or anywhere else, but I was just starting. I started this channel from scratch, and thank you so much, guys, for believing in me. And yeah, I'm opening this vlog, and yeah, it's the 26th of December. No, I'm like, hey, I wanted to tell 26. It's the 30th of December, guys. We're wrapping this year, guys, and yeah, I must say that I'm happy. I'm at my happy era, and guys, yeah, I'm just opening this vlog, guys. This vlog, I think I'm going to do a voiceover and just show you my birthday gift in my childhood, guys. Something happened. I don't know why. It's because I'm using my phone. I lost the clip where I was unboxing my coffee machine, but what I did, I just took a video of my coffee machine and the packaging. And yeah, guys, I have a new watch. I'm going to share that all with you guys. Yeah, I'm looking forward, guys, to spend 2023 with you. And I'm going to do sit downs, because I couldn't this year, because I think I started my channel at the end of the year, and it became so busy I couldn't do my sit downs. I know that I still owe you sit down and to share my story of how I got raped. I still have to sit down and about everything that had happened to my life and my journey, guys. Akuvelanga ndabe ndilapha mna ndisuke ensokolweni, like ndiyayazi insokolo, ndiyakwazi ukusokola. As I said before, I've mentioned to you that I'm not I don't have much money, a lot of money, but I'm at my better space, and I'm going to share with you guys how we survive here, because obviously it's only my husband that is working. But I'm going to share with you guys, it's not the matter of working, it is the matter of telling yourself that you are going to do it. God usdalile, guys, for a reason. So yeah, but let me not drag this intro. We're going out now. We're dropping the kids by the grandma, and then we're gonna go to Specsavers, because guys, ndopula izpecs zami, ndizopula izpecs zamehlo. So that's why ndisoloko ndinxiba the sunglasses. So now I'm always on these sunglasses. So we're going to Specsavers, hoping that I'm going to come back with my lenses. And yeah, I think my spectacles will only be here in 2 weeks to come. I think second week of January is only then that I'm going to get my spectacles. And I know that I still owe you guys the fridge vlog, but my fridge is not yet here, and it's only going to be here at the end of January. So I'm just updating you guys, and I love you so much. Enjoy this vlog. Enjoy. I think it's going to be a short vlog, but it's going to be a very nice vlog, I think, because yeah, I'm going to share the things that made me happy. Bye, guys. I love you so much. I love you so much. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're coming here for the first time, and do comment, guys, and like it, guys. Please, guys, like and share, guys. Share my channel. Please share my channel, guys. Let's grow, because I'm planning to have a giveaway when I'm reaching 1K, and I believe that we are going there soon. And yeah, guys, and also please click in that notification button so that when I upload new videos, you go and watch. I'll try to make my videos short so that I don't bore you on the data. But I hope that abanye bane Wi-Fi. So those that have e-Wi-Fi, please guys, do watch my vlogs. I'm not going to say watch ads for now, but after 1K, I'm going to be stressing about you watching those ads. I love you so much, guys. Don't mind my eyes. I don't know what is happening, but I was like, I'm going to match my eyes with the dress that I'm wearing with my dress. Anyway, I'm going to hide my eyes with my glasses. I love you so much. Bye, guys. Bye. I love you so much.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe.
Yeah, guys, as I already shared with you that I've lost the footage of where I was unboxing my coffee machine, which was a gift from my husband, because I was stressing him that I want this coffee machine. So he made it come through on my birthday. In fact, he bought the machine just before my birthday, but for my birthday, I love it. I can't stress enough how much I'm in love with this machine. And here I'm just showing you the containers or canisters that I bought from Mambo's for this coffee machine, because I wanted to put these next to my coffee machine. This is the receipt, guys. This is the money that I spent there. And this thing, what do you call this? Is it a tray? I don't know. I also bought it from Mambo's. It was 200, I think. And these espresso cups I bought from, I think, Pick and Pay. I just placed them there because, you know, the coffee machine is new, so we happen to have coffee each and every second. So guys, as we have a brand new crate from Grade R, Lena in the house, we went to shop for school stuff by Macro, so that's her shoes there. I just happen to love a Buccaneer shoe, guys. That's what my mom used to buy me. So last year I bought for my middle daughter those Walkmates school shoes. They didn't last her, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to buy Buccaneer for this one. And we bought this bag, which costed us 650, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, the backpacks are very expensive. I bought also this pizza cutter from Macro, and yeah, this is just the money that I've spent from Macro, you guys. Yeah, so this is just what I wanted to show you. I think that's it. I think that's all. Yeah, guys, what else? And we've stopped by Sheet Street, and then I went to buy these artificial flowers for my bedroom. So these are all artificial flowers. So each is 35 rand. Was going for 35 rand. I couldn't get a lot. This is the only flowers that was left in the shop. I'm still gonna go to different stores and check for the same flowers. And I bought this, you guys, for my perfumes.
You keep talking about your
bought it also from Shit Street. It was going for 200, I think.
But you keep treating me like I am not here, like I don't have what you need.
It was going for 229. Yeah. Then I bought this placemat because as you saw, and this candle. I bought this candle, guys. I think it smells delicious. It's vanilla scent. So yeah, guys, it's 79 rand, I think, from Shit Street. Also it smells so delicious, you guys. It smells nice. You should try it. I love it so much. And they also say that you can light this candle for 20 hours, so that's also nice. I bought this undermat for this dining table, you see here, because I have the the lip balm for my daughter. She just picked it. Yeah. And then this placement is for this table because the flower that I'm going to place here there just now, that flower, it stretches my table. So I was like, let me just buy something that will prevent my table from being stretched, and I think it matches perfectly. Just tell me, what do you guys think? I think it matches nice. It's what I had in mind when I was buying this placement. Just bought one because just wanted it to be like that.
Sun is shining, wind blows through my hair, car is moving fast down the freeway to anywhere. We are going somewhere new tonight. I ain't letting you out of my sight. This might be crazy, hope it is. Baby, this is what we do. We leave it all up for sale.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away.
Say hello. Say hi. Say hi.
Make sure you like it, subscribe.
Thank you.
Yeah, takes a place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it